Dear students, good morning and congratulations. I am Barun Kumar Beregi, the English teacher of Sundarban Secondary Girls School, Koira. I am continuing my online class program. In our previous class, we have learned the three kinds of sentences. That means assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence. There we learned the definition of assertive sentence and structure of assertive sentence, and we are able to make the sentence according to the definition and structure. Today we are going to learn the another kind of sentence, that means operative sentence. At first we learn the definition of operative sentence and the structure of operative sentence. At first I am going to write down on board the definition of operative sentence. The definition of operative sentence. Operative sentence. The definition of an operative sentence is a sentence which expresses wish, desire or prayer is called an operative sentence. Again, dear students, follow and clearly listen the operative sentence, the definition of operative sentence. A sentence which expresses wish, desire or prayer is called an operative sentence. Dear student, at first I am going to find out three words in the definition of operative sentence. The three words are wish, desire or prayer. At first you have to learn the Bangla meaning of the three words, because dear students, without knowing the Bangla meaning of three words, you cannot clearly learn the definition of operative sentence. At first, wish. The Bangla meaning of wish is Issa. The Bangla meaning of wish is Issa. Also the desire. Desire is also Issa. Wish or desire. Then prayer. The Bangla meaning of prayer is Prarthana. Prarthana. When all of you will see the three words or the Bangla meaning of three words in any kinds of situation, then you will know it is an operative sentence. When a sentence which expresses wish, desire or prayer is called an operative sentence. Dear students, I think all of you have learnt it clearly, because I tell you the Bangla meaning of three words. So I think all of you are clearly learned it. Then the example of an operative sentence according to the definition of it. According to the definition of it, the example of an operative sentence The example of an operative sentence is may God help you. Dear students, at first you have to learn or you have to follow that I have used here may. May God help you. It is not sure. God may help you or God may not help you. So it is an operative sentence because may have used here at first of the sentence. Dear students, may is not sure. It not indicates the activities must be happening. It is probably. God will help you or God will not help you. So it is not sure. So dear students, all of you have to learn that may will be used at first of the sentence if it is an operative sentence. So dear students, then the structure. Then the structure of operative sentence. The structure of an operative sentence is may plus subject plus verb plus extension. May plus subject plus verb plus extension. So I am going to write down on board again an operative sentence according to the structure of it. At first, I have written down on board the example of operative sentence may God help you. Then I am going to again write down the sentence according to the structure of it. That means another kind of operative sentence. So it is may you be happy. May you be happy. Dear students, it is the word may which is used as part at first of the sentence. At first I tell you that may is not sure. It will the activity will be happen or the activity will not be happen. So may will used at first of the sentence and it is an operative sentence. May plus subject you, here you is subject, plus verb, here be is verb, plus extension, here happy is extension. So it is an operative sentence because the sentence follows the structure of an operative sentence. So it is an operative sentence, may you be happy. So dear students, I think all of you have learnt it clearly because I try my best to learn you clearly and properly. So I am going to end my today's class. Our next class we will learn there the last kind of sentence, that means exclamatory sentence. There we will learn the structure of exclamatory sentence, the definition of exclamatory sentence. So today I am going to end my class. God bless you. Thanks to all.